Hi guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump into the tutorial. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to cover my eyebrows. If I was looking at reference pictures of Miss Piggy and she has no eyebrows at all, maybe just like a little like blonde strip. So I don't know if I'm gonna just like do no brows or if I'll just do like a little line to make it look like a brow, just to have something. I don't know, we'll see where this look goes, but I just bought this huge glue stick, and then I've been watching tutorials on how to cover your eyebrows, and first thing that a lot of them said was to make sure that your eyebrow area is completely clean, just so that there's no like oils there. So I'm gonna take this makeup wipe and I think I'm just gonna go over my full face. My face is clean, but just to make sure there's like no oil at all. So I'm finished with my eyebrows and I think I did a good job. We'll see once I apply like my face paint on top. But first I want to add an orange on top just to eliminate the darkness. And I have the Makeup Forever Flash palette, so I just mixed up the red and the yellow to make orange. And I'm just using this blade right here, so I mixed it up. I have it right there, so I'm just gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna pack it right on top of my eyebrow. So I'm done with the eyebrows, and I think that really helped eliminate the darkness underneath. So I think it's gonna look good once I apply the face paint. And I wanted to show you guys a couple pictures that I have for reference for what I'm going for. So this is Ugly Worldwide, her Instagram, and she's one of the girls that came out in Doja Cat's music video. She was one of the aliens, and she did this look, and this is basically what made me want to do Miss Piggy. I think she looks so cool, but if you look at regular pictures of Miss Piggy, I forgot that she's just skin tone. She's not pink normally, but I want to do something that's closer to this. So I'm going to try to look like Miss Piggy, but I want to be pink. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some of these colors on the Flash palette to make the shade of pink that I want, and then I'll come back to show you guys the color that I made. So at first I was just mixing the fuchsia and the white, and it was a little too like blue toned. I wanted it to be more like a pig color. So with the coral, it made this piggy color. So I'm just gonna apply this. Ooh, I'm like nervous. I don't know why. All right, so I already added my layer of pink to my face. Now I think I want to go ahead and glue my nose already. I ended up getting a lot more of the coral color because the pink, the fuchsia, made it a little bit too like blue toned, and I want it to be more like a fleshy pink. So now I'm going to take probably just more of the coral but a lot of the white, and just start adding it like to my what is it called, underneath my eyes, some in my forehead, just to add some dimension to the face. I'm not gonna make anything darker, and I'm just going to like add a white down here to contrast this area and make it look like I applied contour. Alright, so now I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow part, and she wears pink eyeshadow. That's what it looks like. So I kind of want to do like, I want to cover my brows. So I want to add like pink eyeshadow like that. It's just like, there's no dimension. It's just like a thing of pink. So I kind of want to do that. And I want to do that by and cover like this area, like kind of make my eye area bigger, my eyelid. So covering my brows. And I think I'm just going to basically do it with the fuchsia color. If anything, I'll add some blue to make it a little bit darker. I'm done. I applied the eyeshadow. Now, before I set everything with powder, I was looking at this palette. This is the Beauty Creations Murillo Twin palette. This is Brianna's palette, and I saw this shimmer. I was just gonna add it to the center, but it literally, you can't really see it too much, and I kind of want to apply it all over the area. So I'm just gonna apply, like, pack this all over the area. All right, now that the eyeshadow's set, now I'm gonna take my translucent powder and just set my entire face. I'm taking a little bit of the white from the palette and I'm applying this to my lower lash line and also into my waterline to make my eyes look bigger. Now I'm going to take this black eyeliner. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply this right underneath the white because Miss Piggy, here, I'm going to show you guys. She has like a thick black liner underneath her eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and then probably set it with like an eyeshadow. I took off the nose because she just was not sticking, like not the way that I want her to stick. So right at the end, I'm just going to put her on because right now she is not cooperating. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do a winged liner, a super thick, big wig. What? A super thick winged liner and lashes. Okay, so I did the liner up at the top and now I'm going to add lashes. These are the Extreme 3D lashes. Here's the case. I bought these at Walmart. So I already added the lashes and I feel like everything's coming together. And I'm gonna do the eyebrows. She doesn't really have brows. If you like zoom in, I don't even know if you guys will be able to see, there's like a thin line up at the top that are her brows. So I'm just gonna mix some of like the blonde, some brown maybe, just to create the perfect color, and then just taking just like a small detail brush and then just going literally like around the shape that I created for the eyeshadow. So there's the eyebrows. You can like barely see them, but that's pretty much what I wanted. I want them to be there but not really be able to see them. Now I think I'm gonna do my lips, and she doesn't have anything on her lips. So I'm trying to debate because obviously she doesn't have, oh my god, you guys, look at my phone. She doesn't have anything on her lips, but then she did a red lip. So I'm trying to figure out, I think I do want to do something. So I finished the lip and I kind of used the color that I did the eyeshadow. So it's kind of a purple pink, and then I put a little bit of the white in the center to make it kind of like an ombre. And I had initially used the fuchsia in the palette to outline my lips, but I didn't really like that, so I ended up using just this NYX lip liner in Ever. It's like a darker mauve color, so it kind of just made the lips more of like an ombre. I feel like I can't really see. Okay, so I think we're almost done. I think I'm just going to attempt the nose. Let me see. All right, you guys, so that's the finished look. I added the nose. I feel like I can't smile because I feel like my nose is gonna come off. It didn't glue all the way down. I think that was the one thing that I struggled with the most, is the nose. So ears, I got them at Walmart, as well as the wig. The ears were like brown and I just spray painted them pink. And the nose I got off Amazon. And yeah, I'm just wearing this sparkly top that I think is very like Miss Piggy. Every picture that I pulled up of her, she was wearing something sparkly, something very glam. Yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other makeup or Halloween makeup tutorials you guys want to see, and I'll do those for you guys. I have a few that I want to do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.